We're going to follow the LandStar 8 FAQ guide on how to get NAD27 enabled in LandStar 8. So we're going to start by going to igauge.com and downloading this version. And we get there by navigating to Out, LandStar Distribution. The LandStar version that we're going to use is in new features currently, and it is 2024-11-18. And here we can download the APK with the latest update, and we can also download the CGD file, which is the datum grid file. These need to download, and then we will place the datum grid in the correct folder in our Android, and we'll update LandStar 8. All right, we can select this to update the LandStar app. And select Done. And then this CGD file, what we need to do is move it to a specific directory. So if we go to our downloads in the Google Files app, we select Move To, and we need to move it to the CHC nav folder under Config and Geoid. If we open LandStar 8, I have a project that's in Texas North Central NAD27. Next, I go to Coordinate System and Datum Transformation. I select Datum Grid, and the NADCON 5, NAD27, NAD83, 2011 file that we moved into this folder is now there. Okay, and we can go in here now and see that this was an NGS given point, and with the addition of the datum grid, we're coming out northing within a 10th, and easting is right on. The last thing we want to do is save the given coordinate system, and I want to click Save to Lib. And so now that stores this coordinate system, and I can use it on future jobs. For example, if I make a new job, I can select this NAD27 coordinate system, and my datum grid is in here. So this is another example. This one's in Texas North, and above I have the NGS state plane coordinates that we're shooting for, and below, before adding the datum grid, I am 700 feet off, 600 feet off northing, and 3 feet off easting. So we go up here, we go to our coordinate system, and I'm using this Texas North, but what I need to do is add the datum grid, add this NADCON file, and click Accept. And now we can see that the northing is dead on within a couple hundredths, and so is the easting for this point to the NGS NAD27 point. And again, what I can do is go to this coordinate system with the datum transformation added, save to the library, and now it's saved this as Texas North _1. And if I make a new project, I can use this NAD27 Texas North _1 in the future.